Hello, folks. Welcome right back to the trading Forex game plan, the trading Forex game plan on Trade Ikeberry right here. The Forex trading game plan, the Forex trading game plan, the Forex trading game plan. There is a season 2 of the Forex trading game plan. Last week gave out a season 1, which we looked at 4 markets. When you go back to our videos, you realize the market that we broke down in a very simplest way, in a very understandable way. So right here in Trade Ikeberry, we focus, as I always say, we focus on 5 steps, we focus on discipline, we focus on consistency, we focus on patience, learning, and then we focus on God. These are the 5 steps that we focus on right here. So we've already taken a look at the US dollar index. After the US dollar index, we took a look at the AUD USD. We broke down the markets and then we gave our insight about how the market is moving to give us more knowledge or more insight about the Forex trading to become a profitable Forex trader. As a profitable Forex trader, you have to have a game plan. You have to get a strategy about how to move your trading into a successful, profitable one. All right, so without wasting much time, let's dive into the year. As we always do every day, we take a look at 4 markets. So today we're taking a look at the US dollar index, we're taking a look at AUD USD, taking a look at the yen, and then finally the CAD yen. All right, so as we all know from the yen, let's be diving into the markets. Oh, sorry. As you always know, my name has been Isaac or Ike. You can call me Ikeberry for short, and I'll appreciate you. And I really thank you for watching each and every time. Thank you for the views. We expect to see more comments, more subscribers, more views. If we want to educate you guys, so subscribe to the channel, view more content, like get an understanding of the content, get an understanding of the market, how the market structure moves, how the market moves in terms of price flow, how the game plan or the strategy moves. That is what we want to feed you guys. We want you guys to be a successful, profitable trader. We don't want you to lose your money each and every day. So as a successful, profitable trader, you have to lay back on a strategy or a game plan. That is what we call game plan here. A strategy, a Forex trading game plan. That is what we call here right at Trade Ikeberry. So that is what we want you guys to have a look at or have into head and move on with. All right, so let's dive into the market. So on the yen, initially we had a lower high here, and then we had a lower low here. Pricing came up to break this lower high right here, and then we had a new higher high. Pricing came back, and then we got a new higher low here, and then built some few liquid lows right here. Moved up again, and then price broke to this extent. What did we see? Okay, so we saw price retraced and then came down. What caused a break to this upside for us to get this new higher high? This caused a break, so we had this to be a new higher high right here. All right, so let's zoom right into the chart. Oh, come on. What is my okay? All right. What is wow? All right, so I think we can have a look from this direction. All right, so we have this to be our daily higher low and then daily higher high. US dollar index is bearish, the yen is bullish. Let's put this in here. So it means that most markets in the yen, like the AUD yen, the AUD JPY, the CAD JPY, the USD JPY, most of them will be bearish. Unlike the USD that will have the how do you say it, the Euro USD and the other markets to be bullish because the USD index is bearish. So right into it here in the yen, we have this to be our higher high and then this to be our higher low. All right, so within this trading range, what we look at, the first thing that we look at are the imbalances that we looked at. All right, so last week we had some few imbalances here that we looked at here, and then we took this imbalances here. What did price do here? Oh, come on. All right, what is wrong with this internet? All right, so good. All right, so price came down here to take off these imbalances that we see. You see the candle here, and there is a this candle is called the, what do you guys will call a hammer candle? I mean, yes, you understand? Yes, please. So this is what price did. Price came to work into all these imbalances. So when you get into the lower time frame, you realize that price came to work into this lower time frame. So let's dive right into the lower time frames and then let's give analysis on the lower time frame. So let's go into the 4H to see what the 4H did. All right, so previously on the 4H, all right, so the 4H we have here to be previously a higher high, and then price came down to be as a lower low, and then price picked up to break this, and then we had this to be a high high, and then what caused the break this to be the higher low. So it means on the daily and the 4H are the same. The daily and the 4H are the same in terms of structures. All right, so what do we see now here? Was price able to wake up and then break this for our structure? No. But then what do we see from 4H? 4H came down straight as bullish without any corrective stops, and then later on in this 100, in its 100% came corrective and then moved up bullish again, and started retracing in a corrective way, which we were thinking price will what will come down in a corrective wave so that to show an intent of an upside trend. But we know price didn't do that. Price came down straight in terms of bullish again, deep bullish, straightly bullish, and then came to pick this imbalance as I said earlier on in a daily. All right, so you see the imbalance was taken and then picked this imbalance and then pushed up again into this into a bullish trade, into a straight bullish trade, no correction, right? And then what do we see again? Coming back straight bullish. I mean, coming back straight in a very not corrective, but in a very straight way without a corrective move. You understand? Yes. So this year was a bullish trend, and year came very nice corrective and then straight down, and then here to another corrective, another nice beautiful bullish move, and then came down. So what do you expect from price now? All right, so currently we know that this is our 4H higher low and this is our 4H higher high, but surprisingly the 1 hour did something. So let's dive into the 1 hour and then see what the 1 hour has for us. So when you check into the 1 hour, you realize that the 1 hour was able to break its previous structure from here, from this side to this side, and then we got here to be a new higher high. You understand? So it means what caused a break? This caused a break. Right here caused a break. Oh, come on, what am I? All right, I'm surprised okay, so this side caused a break of this side caused a break, and then we had this to be a high low and then push up to be a high high. What did price do? As I said earlier on, corrective and then impulsive. So impulsive to pick this imbalance here, and then impulsive back in a nice way without corrective, and then now kind of corrective impulse, but then I'll see to be an impulse. So currently I'm looking at price in this range. There's 1H higher high and then 1H higher low here, and then what I see in price as price keep. All right, so 1 2 3 4. All right, so we expect price to I'm expecting price to have either a descending, it has started, so either a descending corrective move, build liquidity, and then pick up liquidity, and then move, and then pick it up to the upside. Or I expect price to move in an ascending corrective, which price can show, take some few imbalance right here, and then price move down bearish to break either the lower low or to retrace back. So let's see what price has for us, God willing, the week coming. All right, so that is what we have for the yen. Currently the yen is bullish, but then retracing from the 1H, and it's only the 1H that has broken structure, and after 1H breaking structure we expect to see a corrective move and then into an imbalance in which will build liquidity and then move up. But then what do we see now? We see price building corrective move, impulsive down, and then impulsive up, and then impulsive down again. So we are patiently waiting to see what the market will do. So we really don't wish anything, but then we expect to see the market have a corrective move in an ascending corrective order or in a descending corrective order, or come down to take any of, because this has also built some, let me say, some liquidities here probably. So come in and pick it up and move up. Move up, bullish. So that is what we are expecting to see from yen, but then we expect price to do its own thing. So currently we are waiting to see what price will do. All right, so that is it for the forex trading game plan on the yen. The breakdown of the forex trading game plan on the yen. So as I always say, if you are new to this channel and you see this channel to be very educative and it will really help you in terms of your forex living, in terms of forex life, in terms of forex trading, in terms of a discipline, in terms of learning, because here we focus much into learning. Every day is a learning process for a trader. Every day in the chart or on the chart is a learning day for a trader. A trader, you have to learn each and every day. Be consistent to your trading strategy or to your trading game plan. That is what we expect every trader should do here at Trade Ikeberry. Yes, we expect each and every one to be consistent with your trading game plan or with your trading strategy. Yes, even though the market has been a little bit slow or undecisive for us, the market is not making any decision for us to know whether if it is going up and it's coming down, or whether if you are supposed to take a trade here, or whether you're supposed to take a trade there. But then we are still patient. We are still waiting to see how the market will flow. You understand? So, as I said earlier on, thank you for watching and we really appreciate you. Let's go dive into the last market for the day. That is a card, JPY, and then give you the insight about the game plan for the card JPY. Subscribe to our channel, view more, hit the notification button, give us more comments, and then let's all be a successful trader and a disciplined trader as well. All right, take care and then see you in the next and last episode.